Right, assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome back to Pepe update and Pepe. It's all Pepe right now, and let's see what Pepe is doing. Still consolidation, nothing much going on, but do expect something to start to happen within the next few days, because yeah, this is just way too much of boring sideways movement. We had a very interesting market back in October all the way to December, and now we have a very boring market, and that's just how the market, how crypto is. You're gonna have ups and downs, so be prepared for every single scenario. So during the time of boredom, this is one of the best time to sit back, not invest, and try to look if it's good for you to invest. There are two kind of boredom, okay? The boredom number one is the buying boring place. The boredom number two is the selling point. Do you understand that? Now, let me explain. You see, if you consolidate since 9 September all the way to 16 October, which is more than 1 month, right? 1 month and almost 10 days up. So you are consolidating, giving people an opportunity to buy once again. But if you pump up like this and you have a boring sideways movement and you are in a distribution phase, you're doing big mistake to buy, because you think, oh, the market is just moving sideways, it's just a little bit of a discount, I should be getting into the market. You don't even know how to do TA, you don't know what chart reading really is, you just feel, which is the wrong way of investing. Never invest based on feelings. So you just feel that it's okay to buy. Maybe you're feeling right now this is okay to buy and stuff like that. I really don't feel, unless there are some certain resistance that are being broken, number one. Number two is that if Bitcoin has some certain pattern that gives me confidence that, you know what, I'm going to move to the upside, and then from there it becomes even much more better, right? So this consolidation is more of a bearish pattern, as I spoke to you before, that you have the right angle ascending triangle, and it means that you're going to be pushing down to 6,800. So eventually I think it's coming, it's just around the corner. It's all about breaking down. It's not in play. Again, it's still not in play. And if things go good, because this is crypto, if things go good, I still want to see a break above 14,065, backtest 12,093 here, and then we will be talking about the next destination, which is 17,000. Break 17,000, and then you're good to go to 30,000. That's just how I'm going to do things. If I had to do things my own way, I guess everyone has their own style of trading, but this is just how I'll be doing things. Now the next thing is that on the RSI, I would even like to see the RSI just coming down one more time, and this actually releases the pressure, by the way, because when you see prices moving down and you just know that they're way too low, you start to see this one coming way too lower, it just tells you that people out there are going to be bearish. They're going to have no confidence at all on what the market is about to do, right? And what they're going to do is try to sell and this and that, and try to open up short position, and that's when the market loves to flip to the upside. At least you know you can bet against those people who are bearish and try to buy again, and you buy even way more safe without any risk. If you buy in the middle like this, hoping it's going to go up, I'm not saying it's never going to go up, but if it starts to actually drop down, then what are you going to do? If it starts to go up, you still know that there are chances of this thing to still come down again, right? That still is something that bothers you. To me, it's not about missing the prices. To me, it's all about getting the entry absolutely right. Let's say you do just pump a little bit, and then you start to drop down again, because the RSI has this big bearish divergence, and then you're also buying very high. Why just not do the opposite, which becomes way more simple and way more easy? Today I just feel like motivating the heck out of you. I'm just feeling like telling you, this is exactly what you should do. So enjoy whatever, and yeah, I'm going to see you in the next one. I love you.